What is up, guys? Today I bought $10 of Robux, which is 800 Robux, and we're going to be spending all of it on this Forever Spidey pack. We're going to try to get this since it's worth so much gems, and we're also going to try to get this. If we get this, I'm going to sell it because it's worth a lot. I don't know why. Okay. Rainbow mini chest for 50 Robux. Secret keys, tech keys, crystal keys, damage potion 8 for 100 Robux. Super lightning. Now we're only at 660 Robux, but it's okay. Oh, I see an egg. Oh, an egg, an egg, an egg, an egg. Okay. We got a Jurassic egg for 250 Robux. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, we have just enough Robux. Yo, let's go! Nata, I'm getting huge today. Yes, sir. Alright, let's buy that. Let's get this. 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 Oh my, bruh. There's so much good stuff here. What the heck? I could have made 202 million, 62 million, 62. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Let's get this huge out. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Oops. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. W. New huge electric. Ooh, yay. Let's go. Let's unequip some. Let's unequip this. And we will equip this. We will give it. What is this? Why do I have 61 of these? That's 55 million. Okay, I might sell that. Okay, let's use 5 of these. $240 gifts. Let's use an XP charm on this. 208 million gems. I'm selling that. Alright, goodbye everyone. I will see you later or tomorrow. And if you want to give me some stuff in the mail, my user is MasonJams6959. MasonJams6959. I'm going to show you how to spell it. Go out. And then you go over here. Go to the mail. Click send. Capital MASONJAMS 6959. Send any pet like you want. You can also send gems. Any pet you want. Type your message. Say you were from the video. Here, huge. I saw your channel. I subbed. There, just type that if you want. And if you want to join our clan, type the keyword clan. Type the keyword clan in the comment section, and you can join the clan. Type clan and your username, and you can join the clan. How much is that? 100K. 100K. This is why I love being on mobile to record. I love how they make the diamonds so easy to get, and it's also so much gems. Oh, golden huge, golden huge, golden huge. Bruh. Scammers. Scammer alert. Oh my god, shut up, stupid iPhone. Alright, we have 77 million. I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. Goodbye. Goodbye.